Welcome. In front of me is a HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and in here you'll find the Do Not Disturb mode toggle. As you can see, for me it's right over here. Now this is the default locations of the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Once you locate this toggle, you can hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize a little bit how it functions. Now we have very limited amount of settings right here, like allow interruptions from calls or messages, so you can choose who can call you and message you, option for repeated callers, and just a schedule. And that's all the settings we have here. So once you have customized them to your liking, you can enable it either from here or by utilizing the toggle right over here. And you also have the schedule, so if you want to utilize that, you could. Just make sure that the schedule is toggled on like so, and that it is set to function at the time and day of the week that you want it to. So at this moment, this one that I have typed on is set to only turn on during weekend and start from 7 a.m. and end at 10 p.m. So if you're planning to use this one, make sure that it's enabled right here. Now you can obviously add new ones if you want to and set them up to be however you want, and you can have multiple different schedules set up and all turned on at the same time if you want to. And if you're planning to use that, make sure that this is enabled and you don't need to do anything extra. But for the manual users, once you enable your Do Not Disturb mode from here, do also remember to turn it off, because otherwise it will be running indefinitely. And as you just seen, you just tap on it to turn it on and then tap on it to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.